Your tap water should be clear like this. If it's discoloured, that's usually caused when sediment in water pipes is disturbed. This disturbance can happen when we do essential work on water mains, such as renewing pipes or fixing bursts. The water is chlorinated and shouldn't be harmful, but it may not look good enough to drink. This discoloration usually clears after a few minutes of running your taps. Sometimes, though, this can take as much as 45 minutes. If the discoloured water stained your clothes in the washing machine, another wash should clean it. If it doesn't, keep the clothes and contact us. We advise people in advance when planned work on water mains will take place, but sometimes we do have to do emergency repairs, which affect your water supply. There's lots of information on our website. You can see what's going on in your area. If you've run your taps and the problem persists, please call us for advice.